Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up 3 different packages. One comes straight from Amazon from Mr. Blake from Faribault, Minnesota. He has a YouTube channel, Blakeness. And also 2 packages from the same person from Seymour, Tennessee. Mr. Justin, I think it is. But anyway, we're finna get over here and open up these packages, guys. I want to remind y'all about the Elville Knife Show, November 15th. This coming Saturday. It's going to be awesome. So I just want to, I hope to see y'all all there. And if I haven't met y'all yet, y'all get a chance, please come up to me and let me shake y'all's hand. And thank y'all so much for all the support. Anyway, guys, again, thank you so much for everything. Let's get over here and open these packages. And I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, the first package comes to us from Amazon, but it comes to us from Mr. Blake up there in Faribault, Minnesota. Thank you, Blake. I appreciate you, man. Look here, guys. We're going to be opening up this package with a Benchmade balisong. Check this thing out. I got this on trade. The guy lives in Florida. I can't remember his name, but look here. Balisong, made in USA. Love that. I need to put a leather lanyard in there. I might even put a black piece of paracord back there. I don't know yet, but I love this thing. I love the blade shape. It's so thin. But anyway, fit to open up this package. He sent an email, guys. He didn't put a note in it because, of course, it comes straight from Amazon. Man, this thing is sharp as a razor. And I've been carrying that thing for about a week. But check out this old light right here. What is this? Check that out, y'all. Let's see. Mr. Blake lives up there in Faribault with Second Chance George and Mr. Keith. Mr. Keith Nelson. What is that right there? I guess it goes on your keychain and you can charge it. Ain't that right? That is pretty doggone cool right there now. Uh-oh, hang on. Oh. What in the world? I guess you pull it off your keys and it works. Look at there. Yeah, you turn it on by detaching and you turn it off by attaching. How about that? It's a Mini 2 rechargeable quick release keychain flashlight. How about that? And you just plug it into a USB to charge it. This thing, man, I love it. You just pull it off your keys and use that little thing. It's bright too. There's no way to turn it down, so it turns it off right there, but you can charge it that way. It's called the Mini 2. How about that? There it is right there. Cool, ain't it? Mr. Blake, I love this thing, man. There will be a link down below. I'm sure it's on Amazon. If there is a link down in the video description. Ain't that cool? Love it, man. Mr. Blake sent that Olight in from Amazon from Faribault, Minnesota. Over 1,208 miles away from Elville, Georgia. Mr. Blake, buddy, thank you so much for sending me that Olight. I love it. Can't wait to try it out. Appreciate the support of the channel. God bless you, man. Okay, guys, now there's 2 packages from Mr. Justin Robertson from Seymour, Tennessee. But I don't see a note or a... Just make sure. Sometimes I jump the gun. He did send a bunch of boxes, though. And I'll show y'all that, too. But let me put this thing up. I absolutely love this knife, man. See how thin that is? Benchmade. I like the old Benchmade. Very cool, ain't it? Anyway, let's see. It's right here. There's a Frost cutlery. There. Razor knife. Very nice. We'll see, this is a Camillus. It is a Camillus. Long line, that's from 1960 to the mid-70s. Looks like a Boy Scout. It's got locking blades. See, that's a punch blade. Yeah, I bet that was a Boy Scout knife, or Cub Scout. Let's see, this looks like a buck. That's a Frontier. Imperial Frontier, see there? Very nice. What is this? It's missing some bolsters here, ain't it? No, it might be the way it's made. Huh. That's a Cherokee. Solid and steel. Never seen that before. Uh-oh. How in the world do you unlock it? Okay. Wow, never seen that design before. This right here, ooh, that's an old one. Look at that bone. Ain't that pretty? It's missing that bone over there. Slanted bolster, so it's got some age. I'm gonna say Camillus. Nope. Looks like a Shatley Hardware, Belknap Hardware. Made in Germany. That thing is pretty, ain't it? It's a nice Stockman. Man, look at that chipped up blade. That'd be easy to fix too. Beautiful piece, man. Beautiful piece. What is that right there? Been sharpened down. That's a Cutmaster. A little jackknife. And stainless steel. Nice little knife. Lanyard hole, light blade, wood handles. Very nice knife. That's a big old Congress right there now. Cherokee. Serialized. Check that out. 1948 to 1963. Solid and steel. Very nice knives, man. Nice, buddy. Very nice. Check this out. There's a Sears Craftsman right there. Blade's been whittled down, the main blade, but these blades here have been whittled down too. Hell, that was in pretty good shape. Good frame, though. That's a good parts knife. Now let's look at this thing. We're gonna see if it won't work in my display case. I have two of them over there now. Wow. It might. I don't know. Let's see. We're gonna check. There's one spot over there it might fit. Look at there. Serrated blade. And that right there, my friends, is a 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a 90, 93. That thing is beautiful, man. I love that serrated blade right there. Sharp, ain't never been used, carried, or sharpened. That is beautiful, man. Love that wood too. Looks almost like oak wood. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you for this, man. Look at there, paperwork. Guys, I still ain't got my show knives yet. Mr. Ken talked to me today. He might have to bring them when he comes down. I'm getting kind of anxious to get them. So, I ain't got them yet. Mr. Justin, buddy, thank you for all this stuff, buddy. Mr. Justin Robertson from Seymour, Tennessee. See what this is. Ooh, look at that honing oil. Look at that. That is so nice, man. Case honing oil. How about that? Well, I be dog. We'll use this, man. That is so cool of you. Thank you. I love that. It's going to go right up here, man. We got that oil on that side. Let's see if we can't fit it right back behind the queen over here. Might have to move old Bigfoot up here and put the oil right there. How about that? There we go. Well, Mr. Justin, thank you, buddy, for all this stuff. I'm going to show y'all the boxes here. I'm going to take y'all out of the stand. Okay, here it is, guys, and I need this box. You know why? I don't have a box for my shark's tooth. How about that? It's a 1980s shark's tooth box, but I have a I think it's a 79 or 78 shark's tooth that will go well with this if I ever need one. You got some Remington boxes in here. The R1128. Got the paperwork. There's one R1128 right there. Got a Winchester box. Very cool. There's another Remington box. R1178. Another Remington. That's a Camillus. Check that out. We got a buck knife. There's a buck knife. Model number 305. How about that? What's this one? 525. I love knife boxes. These right here, 3 blade. It's an order number 00081. Pattern number 63033. So it's either bone or Delrin or wood. 3 blades, 33 pattern. It's probably a Stockman. That's pretty cool. What's this one? That's another. Can't tell what that is. It's a 3 blade knife. It's a 33 pattern too. Got a Booker Tree brand. Look at that, Uncle Henry 706. That same thing. It's a 2 blade. 62033. That's jackknife. Well, Mr. Justin, buddy, thank you so much for all these boxes, man. I love it. That's the same one we looked at, I think. Yep. Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Justin from Seymour, Tennessee. Mr. Justin sent all those knives and gifts all the way from Seymour, Tennessee, 369 miles away from Ellerville, Georgia. Mr. Justin, buddy, thank you so much for sending all those knives and gifts. Thank you so much for the boxes, man. Appreciate you supporting the channel. God bless you, man. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I want to thank Mr. Justin and Mr. Blake for sending those items in and knives and gifts. Thank y'all so much. Appreciate y'all supporting the channel. And guys, today is, what's today? I lose track of time. Guys, I didn't even know the time had changed. My wife had to tell me. I kept wondering why I was waking up at 4 o'clock. Because time went back. I used to get up around 5 o'clock. I'm like, I thought I was just having some type of sleep disorder all of a sudden. And then all of a sudden, somebody said the time changed. I said, the time ain't changed yet. And Val's like, yes, it has. I didn't even know. I swear I didn't. But anyway, today's date is Wednesday, November the 12th. We got 3 days away from the Ellerville Knife Show. I cannot believe it's here. But anyway, guys, if y'all want to help with the toy drive, if you're coming to the Ellerville Knife Show, if you want to participate in the toy drive, bring in a new unwrapped toy,
And the Across the Maps Mission and Ministries will be there collecting toys. So I appreciate that so much. But anyway, it's here, guys. It's here. I've got, I'm going to try to get several videos out in the next few days to cover the weekend. So they might not be as long, but they're going to be very informative. I promise you that. But anyway, thank y'all so much for all the support. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. And I hope to see each and every one of y'all at the Ellaville Knife Show, because it's here, guys. I've got to get a lot of things done over the next few days. It's just going to be a whirlwind. I know it is. And then, guys, don't forget, I'll be up there at the Bear & Sons annual sale starting. I'll be up there all day Thursday and most of the day on Friday. So hope to see y'all there too. That's the Bear & Sons annual sale. So hope to see y'all there as well. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much again for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. I mean that. Until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp. And guys, the Stay Sharp knife of the day is the Pair 3 with G10 camouflage handle, the digital camouflage handle. It's got a pocket clip, and it can go here, here, or here. It's got a lanyard hole. It's got a compression lock, which I absolutely love. Open and close it with one hand. But yeah, that's it, guys. And the steel on this thing is CPM S45VN steel. I love this knife here. I like my lightweight too. I was carrying that for a while. I carried the Kershaw, and I decided to go ahead and put the Kershaw up and pull my camouflage Pair 3 out. Spider cut. Love it. Anyway, guys, again, hope to see y'all at the Ellaville Knife Show. Stay sharp.